Remember, looking for patterns in computer science programs is really important. Again, we use the iteration pattern to draw spinning squares. I have the script hidden, but I've drawn something to draw a set of spinning squares. Check it out. So in between drawing each square, the cat turns a little bit. So let me clear the screen using my handy clear script. Right now I've drawn something that draws a square. So I point in direction 90, that's to the right. I put the pen down, and then I repeat 4 times. Each time I move 100 steps and turn right 90 degrees. So this draws a square as we expect. To draw that other picture with the spinning squares, I need to be able to draw multiple squares. So I'll put a repeat around my repeat 4. And I'm going to want to draw 9 squares. If you go back to that picture, there were 9 squares there. So I'll clear the screen. And if I double click on this, I will draw 9 squares, but right on top of each other. Watch. Okay, so I saw the cat spin around and around and around, but he didn't draw the spinning squares that I wanted. I have to think about, what does the cat do differently between each square? Well, the big difference is that each time he starts drawing a new square, he's pointed in a different direction. So the first time he's pointed to the right, or in direction 90, but the next time I want him to be turned a little bit. So after I draw a square, I'll put a block here that will turn a little bit. So I'll start and I'll turn 15 degrees and see how that looks. I'll clear and see what this draws. That looks good, but it doesn't draw exactly the same picture. So it didn't make it all the way around. I drew 9 squares, and in between each one I turned 15 degrees. If I only want to draw 9 squares, but I want to go all the way around, I think I'm going to need to turn more than 15 degrees each time. Let me try 30. I'll clear the screen, and now try again. Looks better. It still wasn't far enough. Let me try 50. So here I'm using the guess and check strategy that we learned before. Oh, here he went too far. So I know 30 was too small and 50 was too big. Let me try 40. Looks perfect. And I can also notice that 9 times 40 was 360 degrees. So I turned a total of 360 degrees. And each time I drew a square. I can see that this is an example of the iteration pattern too. Normally in the iteration pattern, I set a variable, I change that variable in a repeat, and I use that variable. Here, my variable is which direction the cat was facing. So here I set it by using point in direction 90. Here within the repeat, I changed it by using turn right 40 degrees. And instead of something simple like saying my number or saying the variable, here I drew a square. And the square looked different based on which way I was facing when I started drawing the square. So even though this one looks much more complicated, it too is an example of the iteration pattern. Whoa.